Hello, today I'm going to tie the rabbit strip leech, a simple 3-part fly for trout and bass. The hook is a Mustad SL 53 UBL salmon hook size 4. The threads I'm using is a Semperfli Nano silk 12/0 black to secure the wing and Uni-Nylon 70 Denier for the rest of the fly. Start the Semperfli Nano silk 12/0 thread where the return eye ends and trim the tag. Wrap along the straight portion of the hook, whip finish where the thread is even with the point and move it aside. Next, wrap the Uni-Nylon at the start. Trim the tag and build up the thread. Next, take a dozen pieces of long Peacock Herl. Trim the tips even and secure from underneath the hook and wrap along the base. Then wrap the thread back to the starting point. Next, wrap the herl forward around the threaded area to the starting point. Secure and trim the excess. Next, take a piece of black rabbit strip. Measure and trim. The wing is about twice the length of the straight portion of the hook. Trim the hide flush with the fur and trim the rabbit strip in a taper along the hide. Make sure the fur is off to one side before making the cut. Once trimmed, remove the excess fur. Next, secure the tip of the wing in front of the herl body, build up the thread, whip finish, and trim. Next, pull the rabbit strip over the back, separate the fibers even with the thread. Wrap the thread over the hide and the bare hook about a dozen wraps on the same spot. Whip finish, trim, and add head cement on the wrap. Brush out the fur even with the rest of the wing. Next, start the Uni-Nylon 70 Denier black in front of the wing. Trim the tag and build up the thread. Next, take a piece of rabbit strip about an inch long and pull the fibers away from the hide so they're sticking out at a right angle. Split the thread, wax, and insert the rabbit strip in between. Adjust the strips so the thread is close to the hide. Then trim the hide. Spread the fur along the thread. Add the dubbing twister, double over the thread, and spin to lock the fibers in. Brush out the fur and add the hackle plier while keeping tension on the thread. Pull all the fibers one side and wrap forward starting at the base of the wing. Wrap edge to edge, secure the thread, trim the tag, build up the thread, whip finish, and add head cement. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe and hit the like button to see more fly tying videos.